Okay, guys, the claim is made for many years by many people that there's no footage of the space station being built, like it doesn't exist. This is a false claim, and the truthers claim to be good at researching. So let's do some research. That's not difficult, but the very first module being put together was on STS-88. So see, this is the animation that we have, and people show that and say they don't even have real footage of it being put together. Well, I'm here to refute that false claim. So if we go, so this is shuttle flight number 93, STS-88. There exists a video on YouTube, Space Shuttle Flight 93, STS-88, post-flight presentation. The astronauts and NASA, for every single mission, for every single day of every single mission, they made a video log that after they landed, they gave their thoughts and explained what was in the video, and then put these videos out. So let me just show you what we have here. This is the very first two modules of the space station being assembled on video in space. Now, the claim that people are making, a lot of you are going to want to change that claim right now. When I show you the video, you're going to say, yeah, but that's fake. They're faking that. It doesn't even look real. They're doing it in a studio or a Hollywood basement. That's not the claim you made. You made the claim that they don't exist, that there is no video. Here it is.
Well, this is the STS-88 crew video, the first assembly flight of the International Space Station. And our flight really started back in November of '98 with the launching of Zarya, the first Russian-built.
The unique thing about mating these components is we actually didn't use the arm to bring it all the way down onto the orbit points, and you saw the thrusters firing there.
Here's video,
Nancy did
guys.
an outstanding job pulling the payload out of the payload bay. Unity couldn't have done it better. Very smooth and
Unity and Zarya, the
She had less
first
than an
two.
inch of clearance on either side.
The first two modules being put together.
We just installed, and you can see he's carrying a foot restraint with him that
the
he
next
used.
mission was STS-92, was it? Let's look. So that was the first one. We got supply, Hubble, shuttle radar, supply. Okay, our next one is STS-92. Let's look at this one. Post-flight presentation. Here's the next part.
Getting the arm set up, he's putting a foot restraint onto the arm, he's attaching that, and then he's going to stand in it.
I don't want this to be a long video, but you have to understand that these videos exist.
Here you can see the 4 ready to latches lighting up, meaning it's ready to be captured.
This is just
and
on
then bolted
YouTube
onto
also.
the station, and everybody's
then
really
the next
happy
one
because it's worked as planned. And you can see here
is
Koichi getting his high
97.
fives for the great work that he's done.
Getting the arm set up, he's putting a foot restraint onto the arm, he's attaching that, and then he's going to stand in it and lock his boots in. And he and I switch places on EVAs 1 and 3,
97.
getting driven.
Post-flight presentation. Video log.
And,
As you can
there's
see,
our
I've watched all these.
enthusiastic response right there. We all mast when it swung out. Once it was completely out, I crawled out onto the end
Here you go.
of the mast tip fitting.
You guys, these videos do exist, and I hope you're interested in the truth rather than what you hope to be true. Because the videos exist whether they're authentic or real or not. So the claim being made by all these people is false. And that's really all I'm trying to point out. I don't know why people keep saying that they don't exist. I thought we were supposed to be good at doing research. This is just YouTube, guys. Let's look at one more, and then, okay, let's look at STS-106. This is just on YouTube, guys. You can go to other places, too. Let's look at 106. Oh, I think I lost my internet. Something's going on. Here we go. Here we go. 106 post-flight presentation. Do you notice that they do this on every mission? So this is, let's just see
Here's
if
our
they...
patch. Each patch, as you may know, is individually designed by the crew. Our mission really began with the completion of the service module after a 2-year delay. Here it is
Here's
during the
another
rollout
link right
ceremony
here.
in Russia.
Okay, so... Here they open the payload bay doors.
Logistics module. The next step from that is the SHOSH box, or our EVA toolbox. And then up close in the bottom left of the screen is the actual docking mechanism we use to capture the space station. You can see the American-built node and the 1,000 miles an hour you can fly the
which inside the shuttle we've got Rick, and so once we attach all of our tools and our cable, something like a three-dimensional, see here how quickly it changes from dark to light.
And that was the first ingress into the space station.
There you go, guys.
Ingress is basically a process of opening